Hello and welcome to this tutorial dance for the Abba song that we've been doing, Voulez-Vous. This has no music to it, it's just a tutorial of the dance. Okay, if you want music, there will be a separate video with the music in it. All right, let's have a go. So we start with an intro in this one, so we're just going to march for the intro. All right? It's a long intro. Once the intro's happened, part one, we're going to point and step to the side. We're going to point and then side step. Point and side step. All right? And I'm using one arm if you want to do that. So once we've done that, we get to part two. Part two, we are going to come forward. We're going to take two long steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle back. 5, 6, 7, 8. We do that 4 times. We're going to come to the next bit where we're going to turn. I'm turning to my right. You're going to turn, doesn't matter which way you turn. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to turn facing the other side. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to come back. All right. For 8 counts. And then we've got an easy walk, which is 2 forward, 2 back, and I'm using some arms. So if we do that again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then there's an easy walk. All right? That's most of the dance. One extra bit right at the end, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're just coming forward, and then we're coming back using the arms coming up. All right, if I take you through that again, from the beginning, we have point and march. Then we're going to go point and step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part 2, we're going to come forward. We're going to come 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. We're going to do that 4 times. Then we're going to turn and we're going to do side steps. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to come back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you've done that, back to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy walk. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because we do it twice. Back to the beginning. In the middle, as I said, there's this move. We're just going to march for a short time before we come forward. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat that a few times before we come back to the side where we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 7, 8. That's Voulez-Vous. Easy walk. And when we do that, so the music fades out. All right, check out the other video with the music so you can have a go. But that's a tutorial for Voulez-Vous from Abba.